Well, so starting with name of Almighty Allah, who are most beneficial and most merciful for us. Therefore, take my salam, those who are Muslim. Assalamu alaikum. So, I have just come one of the most familiar and most famous place of my Sylhet division. This is Tomb of Shah Jalal. Tomb of Shah Jalal. I have just come here, and after that I have decided that is I want to make a video and I want to show all of our that is in my areas uh, beauty, view of beauty, and also practicing my spoken English. So you have to look, that is a small pond, and this pond are so uh, attraction for us because of there have a uh, one of kind of fish that is very uh, attraction things for us. Okay, so I want to show this fish. Okay, so there are a lot of fish. One of the most fish that is a snakehead, snakehead great snakehead. You have to look here whenever you come on this kind of place. So you have to look. This pond are unclean, but they are main attraction things that is uh, snakehead, great snakehead. So I try to show all uh, these fish. These fish are just sink now. I think dive now for the reason that I couldn't. Yeah, you have to look. You have to look the snakehead fish, great snakehead fish. Great snakehead fish. I try to another place go to, and there I think so. So this fish name snakehead, great snakehead. This means gojar fish, snakehead. So that's all. I try to go to another area, and there are lot of people are making a crowding. So, and already the video is going on 2 minutes 36 seconds. So Hazrat Shah Jalal Rahmatullah Alaihi was the famous Sufi saint of my Sylhet region, and I think he took in Bangladesh it will be maybe 1303. So in the time the Sufi saint come here in this area. So you have to look the beauty of area and the beauty of Shah Jalal tomb of. So tomb mean samadhi. So as you can see that the beauty of Mazar, and it is a big mosque, and beside the mosque tomb of Shah Jalal. Okay, so you have to look another attraction things that is pigeons, and there are a lot of pigeons. So it's really amazing, and I feel very happiness. And whenever I make in this kind of video, it thinking about my life and to feel about situation, about natural beauty, and about my speaking also practicing. So I'm not good at English, but I try to describing any place in my own way. So if I make any mistake, so please consider it. So that's all, and I just want to go the outside of this Mazar, and I try to show to all the scenery of in front of Mazar. So just it is out of the area of Mazar, and there are a lot of vehicles and transportation are parking here. So you have to look the outside of beauty this Mazar. So thanks to all, and assalamu alaikum to all again.